Okay, so the oil change in this car, you have actually to remove 2 plugs of that protection in the back, plus you want to remove the one on the side. It's 6 if you remove completely for the filter, so you have to remove 8 in total, and they just pushed it out, see, like that on the side, because if not it will take forever to remove all of them. I pull it like that forward so I can do the oil and the filter at the same time. You remove the last 3 and you pull it forward. You can see, then from here you just remove the last 2 and 2 in the bottom, right there. Here's another one. And you can lift it. You can access your filter. You can also remove maybe the first one here, like I did. It's easier.